Hello and welcome to Jen's British Slang Quiz. The rules are simple. The quiz has 5 questions and you'll have 5 seconds for each question to answer. So without further ado, let's begin. Question 1. Fill the blank. I haven't seen her for ages. Absolutely. A. Donkey's ears. B. Dog's ears. C. Horse's ears. D. Cow's ears. The correct answer is A. Donkey's ears. Donkey's ears is another way of saying a long time. Question 2. What is the meaning of bee's knees? A. Old-fashioned and outdated. B. Small and irrelevant. C. Exceptionally good, fantastic. D. Dangerous and annoying. The correct answer is C. Exceptionally good or fantastic. As in, we had a lovely picnic in the sunshine. It was the bee's knees. Question 3. Which phrase uses whale of a time correctly? A. I had a whale of a time cleaning the bathroom. It was filthy. B. She had a whale of a time getting out of bed. She was exhausted. C. He had a whale of a time at the festival. Great music, food and beer. D. My boss gave me a whale of a time for being late. The correct answer is C. He had a whale of a time at the festival. Whale of a time is another way of saying great fun, good time, you really enjoyed yourself. Question 4. Which word means to have no money? A. Skint. B. Gutted. C. Flush. D. Parched. The correct answer is A. Skint. Broke is also another word with the same meaning. Question 5. If I'm gutted, how do I feel? A. I'm really pleased with myself. B. I'm super tired. C. I'm a little bit unhappy. D. I'm absolutely miserable. The correct answer is D. I'm absolutely miserable. Gutted is another way of saying I'm devastated. I'm extremely sad. Thanks so much for playing. Please leave a comment or subscribe if you enjoyed the quiz.